Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fly fishing combo is probably one of the most sought-after items for both novice and experienced anglers, promising an enjoyable and successful fly fishing experience. Choosing the right combo can significantly impact your fishing success, making the selection process crucial. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing a fly fishing rod and reel combo that perfectly suits your needs and skill level, ensuring you're well-equipped for your next angling adventure. Number 5. Wild Water Standard Fly Fishing Combo. It's time to explore the Wild Water Fly Fishing Combo. Let's see what's inside this fantastic starter kit. This 9-foot rod is lightweight yet durable, thanks to its IM8 graphite construction. The comfortable cork handle ensures a secure grip. It features a quick-release spool, adjustable drag, and even comes pre-spooled with line and leader. You're ready to fish right out of the box. It includes a variety of flies to get you started, all neatly organized in a rugged, waterproof case. You'll have plenty of options for different fishing situations. The included carrying case keeps everything safe and organized during transport. It features a rod tube, reel pouch, and extra space for additional gear. This combo is perfect for streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Catch trout, panfish, or small bass with ease. It's the perfect starter kit for any angler. What we like. It's ultralight and easy to carry for all-day fishing. The kit includes everything you need to get started, saving you time and money. If you're a beginner looking for a convenient and high-quality option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The box arrived in pristine condition, and inside, I found your very thoughtfully packaged 5/6 starter package. It literally has everything I need, and you guys just didn't go cheap. From the quality of the fly box, to the fly pattern selection, to the thoughtful spacing of the flies themselves inside the box, to the way the fly rod pieces are individually stored inside a fabric storage system that rolls ties and is then housed inside a very stiff cylindrical travel tube, which neatly holds all of the other components in this package: reel, fly case, and leader. The outfit performed flawlessly. One of the rock base weighed 24 ounces and even tested the drag. I practiced casting on an artificial turf field through the spring, and all I had to do was just tie on a fly. When the reel did work, I found that this rod and reel were an awesome set and did the job I expected them to do. I caught probably 15 fish on it and had a good time while it lasted. The rod's nice, the reel works flawlessly, and the small kit of fits is perfect. Not many in the kit, but it comes with what the ad says. Number 4. Zebco Martin Complete Fly Fishing Kit. Get ready to explore the world of fly fishing with this complete kit. It has everything you need to get started, from rod and reel to flies and line. This 3-piece rod offers a moderate action, perfect for various fish species. Its durable fiberglass construction and comfortable handle ensure all-day fishing comfort. The pre-spooled reel is lightweight yet durable, featuring an aluminum frame and spool. It's ready to go, with line, backing, and leader already in place. 6 pieces of expertly selected fly tackle are included. A scannable barcode provides access to a helpful guide to get you started. For over 70 years, Zebco has been equipping anglers for outdoor adventures. This kit is backed by a 1-year warranty against defects. What we like. Its moderate action is perfect for a variety of fish species. It's built to last with high-quality materials. If you value a reliable brand with a long history, this is the one for you. What people say. The flies work pretty well for the most part. The click and pawl reel is a bit old school, but honestly it's worth buying the kit just for that. The reel is fairly solid quality and the rod does what it's supposed to do. New to fly fishing and I'm hooked. Great product, especially for the price. The pole works great, and for a first-time fly fisherman it is amazing and easy to learn. Number 3. Maxcatch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo. It includes a high-performance rod, a pre-spooled reel, hand-tied flies, and all the accessories you'll need. Get started fly fishing right away. It boasts a strong and lightweight design. This is achieved through multiple layers of high-quality carbon fiber for superior performance. Its fast-action design helps you cast further and more accurately. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers. The lightweight reel is pre-spooled with backing, line, and leader. It's ready to use straight out of the box, saving you time and effort. A durable travel case keeps everything organized and protected. It also comes with a waterproof fly box and a neoprene reel cover for added protection. This complete kit offers exceptional value. It's the perfect way to start your fly fishing journey without breaking the bank. What we like. This rod excels in distance and presentation, making it great for various fishing styles. It comes with everything you need to start fly fishing right away without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget but want quality, this is a great option. What people say. Rod has a nice fast action great finish, surprisingly light, and although the reel isn't the best looking, it does what it needs to do on a 3WT, which is hold the line. The carry case seems to be made well, and the extra fly box and storage on the carry case makes keeping this setup under the seat of my truck a breeze. Everything in this is quality. The reel is a lot nicer than expected for the price. Awesome drag and quiet. The rod is extremely stiff, I'll have to get used to it. Nice box with a gasket, my second Maxcatch box, for the price amazing boxes. Flies were decent quality with a good mix. The handle is a soft touch cork. The rod feels really light. The rod case is nice and solid for protecting it. It came with some flies that seem decent to start with and a fly case. The reel is awesome compared to the Martin combo I have. Adjustable drag doesn't click while reeling, much bigger size, and the quality look feel is great. The casting is super easy for me. Number 2. Moonshine Revival S-Series Fly Rod. Experience the perfect blend of classic style and modern performance. This fly rod is built for anglers of all skill levels, offering a smooth, accurate cast every time. It's lighter and stronger than traditional fiberglass, with a crisper recovery for exceptional accuracy. You'll love the smooth feel and responsiveness. The full flex design and responsive tip make it ideal for delicate presentations and close-range casts. It's perfect for those tricky situations. It boasts high-quality features like titanium frame 6 stripping guides, light wire snake guides, and a hand-turned burl reel seat. Every detail is carefully considered. This rod comes with a protective canvas tube, embroidered with the Moonshine logo. It's tough enough to handle any adventure, keeping your rod safe from the elements. Never worry about a broken tip again. It comes with an extra tip section, ensuring you're always ready to fish. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, this rod is perfect for you. Enjoy the thrill of fly fishing with ease and confidence. What we like. The unique glass construction provides a smooth, accurate cast. Its slow action is ideal for delicate presentations. If you appreciate craftsmanship and a protective case, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is incredibly accurate. In fact, in just a couple of minutes of use I found myself literally just thinking of a spot and the cast was almost automatic. I was nailing challenging targets time after time like shooting fish in a barrel. The rod tube is compartmented for each rod section, and each rod includes an extra tip section. This rod has more line guides than most 9-foot rods, and if you load the action up statically, you'll find the line follows the blank perfectly. The drifter casts effortlessly for me to 50 to 60 feet. And further with a bit more effort. Number 1. Sougayilang Fly Fishing Combo. Get ready to experience the thrill of fly fishing with this complete starter kit. It includes everything you need to get started, all packed neatly for easy transport. This lightweight yet durable rod is crafted from carbon fiber, ensuring effortless casting. Its 4-piece design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for any adventure. The reel's sleek design is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's also incredibly functional. Its lightweight aluminum construction and smooth operation will enhance your fishing experience. This combo doesn't leave anything out. You'll receive a fly line, leader, flies, a fly box, a rod case, and even tools, everything you need to start fishing right away. Whether you're fishing a river, lake, or stream, this versatile combo is up to the task. It's perfect for catching a variety of fish, from trout to salmon. The convenient carrying case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. It's designed for effortless transport and simple setup, so you can focus on what matters most, the fishing. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is here to help you. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to transport. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to start fly fishing. If you want peace of mind, the warranty is a great added benefit. What people say. The reel seems to be decent quality. There is no play in the spool and the clutch seems to operate properly. The rod and reel are the big selling points here. The reel feels almost frictionless on the retrieve, and the drag is smooth throughout an impressive range of pressure. Very nicely made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.